Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost 125 brake horsepower. This car's finished in chrome blue metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille, front parking sensors, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim running along the door tops, shark fin roof aerial. You've got the 16-inch alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the ribbed centre panels and the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. Centre armrest with twin cup holders. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. And you've got the 12 volt plug-in for accessories. Electric rear window motors. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, and this car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. Moving on to the driver's side of the car, driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box, and inside the storage box is a USB plug-in point. This car's done 17,456 miles, 6-speed gearbox, controls on the centre console to turn off the traction control. You can deactivate the stop start. You've got the eco mode, turn off the front parking sensors, USB and 12 volt plug-in for accessories, dual climate control. And this car's also got the heated front seats, touchscreen media system, so this has got the 8-inch touchscreen system, full screen navigation into the home page. To the audio side, you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, controls at the end of the indicator stalk for the lane departure mode. Then on the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. You've got the Bluetooth connectivity so as you can connect your phone for hands-free phone operation. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Focus Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost, and it's the 125 PS, and it's a Euro 6.2 engine. Back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.